Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful bomb 99j wig. If you want to find out more details about this unit, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is Upretty Hair. They sent me this 24-inch 5x5 closure wig. This is in the 99j color and it is body wave. Let's jump into the unboxing portion of this review. Okay, so I'm not sure, do I want to do a side part or a middle part? Maybe we'll do this side part. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So I got this new scissors from Amazon. This is my first time using it because I don't really like using my professional shears. This scissors sucks. Wow. Well, that answered that question. Do I recommend these shears? No. Never mind then, guys. Never mind. One more. I did bleach the knots on this closure wig. Sometimes when you bleach knots on a Burgundy or 99j wig, you don't notice the bleach, right? Because the pigment of the color that they put on the wigs are so strong that it usually doesn't bleach the knots, but it did actually bleach, and I'm happy that it did because I'm noticing that the knots are not as visible now. I'm gonna go in with a bit of lace tint. Is this the right one? Yeah. This lace mousse no longer is a mousse. Not sure why, but that's how it goes sometimes, I guess. It's now a lace liquid. So I just put the slightest amount. I just really want to focus on the baby hairs right here. I don't know if I'm gonna put any on this side here. So yeah, we're just gonna curl her. Let's try these garbage trash scissors again. Oh, worked good for that. Okay guys, I stand corrected. It's not so bad. It's just not as good for cutting the lace. Okay. I don't know if I should do baby hairs, but maybe I should. just because I might take a picture like this. I just want you guys to know, every single time I do an install, I burn myself in one way or another, or I cut myself. Get it together, Kez. Haven't gotten there yet. It's okay, because we're all a work in progress. Wow, the parting space on this closure is really nice. When I'm using foundation for my wigs, I used to use like the foundation that I use on my face, but I realized that when I'm touching up my wigs, I want a foundation that's thin, like runny almost. So now I found one, and this one is pretty runny. So the wig is laying pretty flat already, so we're just gonna go in and give her some curls. Okay, so the curling technique that I'm doing for this install on my left side, so your right side, my left side, I'm curling it over. So I'm gonna show you again as I explain it. So on this side, I'm taking my curling iron. So my left side, I'm wrapping the hair under it, and I'm wrapping the hair under and around. So you take your strand of hair and you put the curling iron over it, and then you wrap. On the right side, I'm putting it under and then I wrap. I'm gonna finish curling most of the wig, and then I'm gonna come back when most of it is already curled. For a 5x5 wig, I'm loving it. This hair feels very, very soft. I did bleach the knots on my unit. If you saw in the unboxing portion of this video, the knots were red as well, like burgundy, but they were a little bit darker because they tie it. So you want to lift it a little bit if you have the time to just make it look more realistic when you're wearing it. And I think we did achieve that. As you guys can see, it's definitely giving scalp. The lace matched really nice to my skin, so I was impressed with that as well. We decided to do a side part. When I first first put this wig on, kind of just happened like it was on an angle. Sometimes when I do a side part, I like to push the hair backwards, like around here, but today we decided to just leave it like pretty much down, kind of like a swoop, but not really because it's not swooped over. I've been running my hands through it, you guys, since I curled this wig, and it feels really, really good. I would say this hair is definitely styled length. It's giving a super long, and we are here for it, you guys. You guys know when I get a long wig, I'm obsessed. 24 inch is definitely longer. You guys, it's touching my booty. What the heck? We are here for this unit, you guys. So yeah, again, it says 24 inch, but it's giving me longer than that. So I am really, really impressed. How beautiful is this wig? Oh my goodness. I want to talk about the color. So the 99J color is like a burgundy reddish, almost has some pink tones, some red, some mauve. It has like all of those colors in one to make this beautiful wig. And I think the color is very beautiful. It is very pigmented. And again, this hair is so soft. I'm literally, I just can't stop running my hands through it. It's very soft and it looks gorgeous. It feels very comfortable on the head. I really like the deep parting space of this lace. It is a very deep parting space. That's what that 5x5 is giving you. You have a lot of room to play around with, even though it is a closure wig, right? But we shifted her over to this side and it's giving frontal because it is giving, you know, hairline and baby hairs and all the good stuff. Check them out if you are in the market for a 99J body wave wig that's in a closure, because this wig is absolutely beautiful. You guys, look at it, like so much bounce. 2 thumbs up for me. Definitely recommend. Anyways, guys, that is the end of this review. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Leave a comment of your thoughts. How did I do on today's install? If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. I always get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.